Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet. In today's video I'll be creating this makeup look I have on. If you want to see I achieve it, then definitely keep on watching. So guys, I already primed my eyes and did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm taking that orange shade on a blending brush to blend into my crease and my transition area. Going back into the palette, I'm taking the darker orange shade on a flat blending brush to blend into my crease and the outer V of my eyes. Now I'm going back in with my blending brush to make sure that the transition shade and the crease shade are well blended together. Now I'm taking on my finger the orange shimmer shade and I'm applying that all over my eyelid. Going in with a white shimmer shade on a smaller pencil brush to apply at the inner corners of my eye. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Quick Kill Black eyeliner. To line my waterline, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal eyeliner. And I'm just taking off the tapes I used for my eyeshadow. I'm going in with a glitter liner to put on my eyelid just to make the look sparkle a bit more. For my mascara, I'm using the Zaron Volumizing Mascara. Oh guys, I'm in love with this eye look. Just see how it sparkles. For my primer, I'm using my Santi Face Primer. I already told you guys I love this primer. It acts as a moisturizer and as a primer all in one. Going in to conceal my acne scars, and I'm taking a darker concealer in the shade Espresso from the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just applying that in all the dark spots on my face. And I'm going in with a brush to just blend out the concealer. My foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I'm in the shade Cappuccino and I'm applying little dots of the foundation on my face. Going in with my Damn Beauty Blender from Dose of Glam Cosmetics to blend out my foundation. I'm taking my Colourpop concealer and I'm using two shades, medium dark 38 and dark 42. Dark 42 is to conceal and medium dark 38 is to highlight. I'm also going to use medium dark 38 for the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin. Just the places that light will naturally hit my face. working with my damp beauty blender to blend out the concealer. Now I'm going back in to make sure that there are no harsh lines between my concealer and my foundation. To set my concealer, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just pressing the powder into my skin, making sure that I set all the places I applied my concealer. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with my J Cosmetics face powder palette, and I'm taking the shade Natural to set the rest of my face. My nose contour, I'm going back into the J Cosmetics palette, and I'm taking the shade Golden Bronze on the flat blending brush for my nose contour. Now for my contour, I'm going back into the J Cosmetics face powder palette, and I'm taking the shade Golden Bronze and Cappuccino. Now I'm going in with my face brush to dust off all the excess powder I used in baking underneath my contour. To set my face, I'm using my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. For my highlight, I'm going into my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'm taking the shade, the champagne shade in the palette. Now going back to my eyes, I'm taking that light blue shade to put on the bottom of my eyes, and I'm using a pencil brush for this. For my bottom lashes, I'm going back into that Zara mascara I used for my top lash. To line my lips, I'm using my Davis pencil in number 3 and number 18. to Exo Lip Plus, and I'm going to go over everything with a clear lip gloss from Beauty by AD. I'm going in with a pencil brush, and I'm using the same shade I used for my highlight to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone. Yeah guys, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. All the products I use will be down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.